How to share YouTube channel link on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share your YouTube channel link directly on WhatsApp, whether you want to send it on group or one-on-one chats. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the YouTube app on your phone, and here make sure that you are logged in into your account. And once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here on the new page, simply tap on your channel and this will take you to your public channel page where you can see your profile uploads and videos. And now here simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from the pop-up menu, you can simply tap on share and after that tap on copy link. And once you have copied the link, simply close the YouTube app and open the WhatsApp app. And now here, once you are inside the WhatsApp, simply select the chat where you want to send your YouTube channel link. And once you are inside the chat, simply paste the link that you have copied earlier and send it to the person that you want to send. And that's it. That's how you can share YouTube channel link on WhatsApp. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.